Okay, I learned about this website at Charting the Seas, and I thought it'd be really appropriate for many of our Sun students. So it's gingertiger.net. As you can see up here at the top, gingertiger.net, Tiger, and you can just type that in, and everyone's could be set up for a free 7-day trial, so you can try it out with some students. Basically, it'll work on an iPad, smartboard, or your computer, and it's just a series of games and activities. And let's see, we can organize these. The games, and as they update new ones, that goes here: cause and effect games, basic skills, math, speech and language. So we'll just show you a few of those. Basic cause and effect, or beyond, slightly beyond. For example, like this aquarium, and you can use a switch for these, or just tap it on the smartboard. And you can even instruct your student to pick a color, and you click on it. And now we have to feed the fish, so it'll feed it. Okay. Some other ones, some basic skills. Here we got some basic matching or matching shapes. Okay, and these all have settings for easy, hard, stuff like that. There's like the easiest. So if I click this, I get an error tone until I get the right one. This little dude will come, and he's kind of cool. Or I can just pass him up.
Rectangle.
All right. And some timing, like with games and stuff. Pretty cool hockey game here. Again, we're just a little bit beyond cause and effect. If I click now, I missed the goal. So it's some timing and waiting. So in there, I can click it, and then I can score. There's math, simple things like that. Again, we've got multiplication, number charts, number lines, pretty much anything you need here. I'm not even sure what this is. Well, these are things you can set up on the iPad. It does not use Flash, so you don't have to worry about compatibility there. Also, you got to count the dice. There you go. Some language concept ones that are neat. Matching, so we have to find the object and kind of match it. Obviously that probably not a matchstick, but it could be a brush. So again, this guy comes out again. So lots of different things to do. Yes, it is subscription based. You can try it out, and then if we were to get, say, 15 copies that could be used simultaneously, it's $299 a year. So you have to pay that annually. Okay, so just thought I'd show that to you again. gingertiger.net. Thanks.